Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Chesterfield County, the city of Hopewell, western Charles City County, northern Prince George County, southeastern Henrico County, until 11 p.m. At 10:12 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Hopewell, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hopewell around 10:15 p.m., Jordan's Point around 10:20 p.m., Prince George around 10:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include New Bohemia, Taylor's Corner, Matherville, Wayside, Birchett, Prince George Golf, Barnett's, Jordan Point Country Club, and Glendale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or